In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image banner size on Shopify. First, open your browser and go to Shopify's website. On then sign into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and open the section labeled Online Store. This is where all your theme and storefront settings live. From there, open your theme editor by selecting Edit Theme. This will launch the live editor, where you can change how your store looks and see updates in real time. Inside the editor, click on your banner section on the preview. It may be called Image Banner or Hero depending on your theme, but it's typically the large image at the top of your homepage. When you select it, the settings panel for that section will appear on the right side of the screen. On the right, you'll see controls for layout and spacing. Start by adjusting the gap. The gap usually refers to the spacing around the banner, such as padding or margins. Increasing it adds breathing room between the banner and the sections above or below. Decreasing it pulls content closer together. Use this to create a clean visual rhythm, especially if your header or next section feels too tight or too far apart. Next, adjust the width. Some themes let you toggle between full width and a contained layout, while others offer a slider. Full width is great for immersive visuals that stretch edge to edge, while a contained width can keep text more readable and aligned with the rest of your content. As you tweak this, watch how your image crops on the sides and how your text sits on top of it. If your image has important details near the edges, a contained layout may preserve them better. Then, adjust the height. This setting controls how tall the banner appears on the page. Smaller heights keep more content visible above the fold, while larger heights make a bold visual statement. Aim for a height that showcases the image without burying your main message. If your theme offers options like small, medium, or large, preview each and choose the one that balances impact and usability. If you have a manual slider, increase gradually and watch for unwanted cropping of focal points like faces or products. When you're happy with the spacing, width, and height, click Save. Your changes are now applied to the theme. As a quick tip, use the device preview inside the editor to check how the banner looks on mobile and desktop. Keep text contrast high for readability and use high-resolution images to avoid blurriness at larger sizes. That's it, your banner size is updated and ready for your shoppers.